That's a very interesting question. I do travel the world. I travel quite a bit actually. I think for two reasons. First of all, there are a lot of vloggers out there already, a lot of great travel vloggers, and they do a phenomenal job when they're traveling, documenting different things. And when I travel to Japan and in certain places, when I'm traveling, I make a video here and there, kind of to share a little bit. I think number one is, I believe that when we are making video like this, that I like to teach. I like to share my stories, I like to share my insights with the different travel. I might do a couple here and there. If you see my unboxing video, comment below, right? I do a little bit here and there, but I think when I'm traveling, that's my time off. I probably don't want to do a lot of filming. The problem is with travel vlogger or even food vlogger, that when you are thinking and spending so much time about filming, you're not being present. It's very difficult to enjoy the moment because you're thinking about, oh, when am I filming? What am I filming? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Tell a quick story. I was in Hong Kong with my mom, right? Seeing my mom. I was staying at the Ritz-Carlton in Hong Kong, right? They have a pool near the top of Ritz-Carlton, one of the tallest building. I believe the tallest building in Hong Kong, and with spectacular view. So swimming pool, awesome, right? I went to the swimming pool. No one was swimming. Guess what everyone else was doing? Instagram. They're all posing. They were all posing in front of the pool because with the spectacular view, right? Posing. So they're not swimming. No one is swimming in a swimming pool. Everyone is filming, posing, and all that stuff. And that's the problem, right? When you're traveling, I just want to travel. I don't want to think about filming as much because I think it takes away from the experience. And I don't think I could do it better than a lot of the vloggers out there. That I could do it, but that's not what I do. I think I'm much more interested in teaching you and giving you the skills so that you could make more money, generate the income so you could do more traveling, right? It's one thing to say, hey, look at how cool this is it, and this is my life and all that. That's one thing, but that doesn't excite me. It doesn't create change in you. It doesn't create change in people. I want to see how you have used what I teach you to better your life, to increase your income, to help your family, to pay off debt, to be more educated, to get smarter, to have more self-awareness. That excites me more than showing you, hey, look at the stick that I'm eating right now. Like that just doesn't excite me. So that's why I don't do it. If I do a little bit of it, it's more like, hey, I'm at a very special location. Maybe I'm meeting a very special person that I would want to kind of bring you along and say, hey, let's turn on the camera. But I don't like the fact that I'm going somewhere and all I think about is filming. Hey, I need time off too. I just want to relax and enjoy the moment and being present with the people that I'm traveling with. It could be my wife, could be my team. That just to be present, to be there, with no distraction, not thinking about all these other things. So that's my perspective.
Hello, my HTC brothers and sisters. This is Jeff Newman. Just checking in. Wanted to share a quick boom for this afternoon. It was a $5,000 sale at 15%. Anyway, thank you everybody for helping me in the coaching calls and in our group calls. Appreciate you all very, very much, especially in Discord. I look forward to keeping you all up to date and seeing you in the next class in a couple of days and in Discord.
So on July 18th, I closed my first boom for $6,820. Let me remind you guys, I run a small business and these are deals that I haven't been able to close before, and I'm closing them now. It's happening now, all right? On July 23rd, I closed another deal for $6K, okay? And on the day right after that, July 24th, I closed another deal for $3K. All right, so all this is happening right now. All this has been before graduation. Thank you very much. Thank you, HTC. Thank you, HTC family. I appreciate all. Have you done seafood? Thank you very much. Tina, Desmond, all you guys. This is just great. This is happening. It's happening now. Take care.
Comment below. Let me know if you agree with me. And also comment below if you have any other questions for me. Boss in the Bentley, more than happy to answer your question if it's a good question, right? Until next time, I'll see you in my Bentley.